Good morning, sunshine, and Salamu Alaikum.
Day 2.
Today we start day 2 of our trip. There we go.
Yes.
This is our breakfast. We have eggs with tomato and onions and chilies. This will be a very hot breakfast for me. Hey. So we have here chane. Okay, some chane. This is look. They have also chilies inside.
Yeah.
This is a breakfast
This is a breakfast, yeah.
with chilies, and this is
The paratha.
this is the pratas. It's a kind of a tasty bread with some ghee, and we have a roti, chapati also, and this is Mr. Milano. Oh, Mr. Milano is not ready for video and pictures. He said he has some issues here and there, so I will not record him. Have a good meal, guys.
Yeah.
How is it?
But very tasty.
Very tasty?
Yeah.
Okay. And you, how is it for you? Also tasty?
Yes.
Same members, Mr. Pindi,
Hey.
Mr. Milano. Mr. Milano, he's very quiet, so I don't know. We will see tomorrow when we have the day 3, if he's also quiet. Maybe he needs some time in the morning. Yeah, so we'll give him some time. We have also Mr. Dubai.
I love you today.
He loves Dubai. Okay. What is our plan for today?
Now we are going Karan.
We drive to Karan. Okay, and after this?
After this, Naran.
Then we go to Naran. Karan, Naran.
Donasar.
And then we have a Shezan. Huh? Okay, good. Very good. So we are now in Abottabad. Okay. Abottabad looks like Rawalpindi for me. Here, there you go. Yeah. Bye bye.
Let's see next one.
Mr. Milano, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, he's smiling. I see it. I can feel it. I can feel it from my heart. He's smiling. Although I don't look behind. Oh shit, guys. I think I took the wrong driver. He's driving very crazy.
Oh my God.
Or maybe he needs to go to the toilet. Maybe he wants to go back to his girlfriend. Our car gets a shower with shampoo. Oh. In the washroom is a big spider
Oh my God.
like this. Okay, hey guys. No, it's okay. Can you see that? What a big spider, man. It's a very big one. Oops. I don't want to be here inside anymore. This is a washroom. You sit and you make your job. They will run out without the clothes. So it starts the roller coaster ride. Up and down. Up and down. Let's check also our height. Okay. So we are now on the way to Balakot. The height is 1,200 meters almost. This is also a nice road for bike rides. Naran is 99 kilometers away from here. Yeah. Actually, we are almost 1,000 meters, and look at these mountains in front of us. I'm not sure if this is visible from the GoPro, but they are maybe over 3,000 meters. For a European guy, it is very special if they see mountains higher than 3,000 meters. Higher than 3,000 meters is special for Europeans, because most of the mountains in Europe are 4,000 meters maximum. Yeah, maximum. There's the highest mountain is 4,800, I think, in France, Mont Blanc. It's the highest. And my highest mountain that I have seen, is 4,400 meters. But very beautiful mountain. Mount Matterhorn in Switzerland. Look at this. Wow. Okay guys, we need some rest. Yeah. Chaudhary, I need a manji. Oh, okay, you have. There you go. Yeah, make some rest. Okay. Yeah. It starts to become freaky and crazy. Like the music. You hear the music? Yeah. So we have reached now. We have passed Balakot, the Balakot Valley. Now we drive to the Naran Valley. Naran Valley. Yes. Looks very beautiful here. Take a look. The curves are already very sharp curves are here. Enjoy. Can you see this? There we are going to drive. We make a round from here to this place. And look, the people are living there. Aram, 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 slowly. Otherwise I will walk. Wow, very beautiful. This is a crazy road. A crazy road, crazy music, crazy Pindi boy. So finally we have reached
Naran city.
Naran.
जाते हैं दिल हमको कभी समझाता है हम दिल को कभी समझाते
Wow, very good. Good man. Very good man.
No, no.
Vibration with Somo.